When it comes to printing, finding the right printer can make all the difference in terms of quality, cost-effectiveness, and convenience. Enter InkTank printers, an innovative solution designed to meet the demands of both home and office environments. With their high-capacity ink tanks, these printers offer exceptional page yields and significantly lower printing costs compared to traditional cartridge models. In this video, we'll explore the best ink tank printers on the market today, helping you make an informed choice for your printing needs. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 310. If you're in the market for a photo printer that excels in producing vibrant and accurate images, the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 310 is worth considering. This printer features advanced pigment-based ink technology, utilizing 9 ink cartridges to deliver exceptional detail and color fidelity in your prints. The inclusion of a Chroma Optimizer cartridge ensures that your photos not only look stunning, but also have enhanced uniformity, shine, and durability, prolonging their life. With the ability to handle various paper sizes up to 70 inches in length, the Pro 310 is an ideal choice for creating eye-catching posters and signs. However, while it's great for photos, you should keep in mind that its document printing speed is quite slow at 1 page per minute, and it does not support automatic duplexing. Being a print-only device, if you need scanning capabilities, you will have to invest in a separate scanner. Additionally, be aware that the Pro 310 occupies a significant amount of desk space, so you should plan accordingly. When it comes to cost, the printer's ink cartridges have a reasonable yield and are fairly priced individually, allowing you to replace only what you need. However, since there are 10 cartridges, your printing costs can add up quickly, especially if you print frequently. By managing your ink usage and purchasing cartridges selectively, you can help keep your printing expenses within budget. Overall, the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 310 is a solid investment for anyone serious about high-quality photo prints. At number 4, HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E. If you're seeking a versatile, wide-format printer for your office, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E is an ideal solution. This all-in-one device is specifically designed for tasks such as printing posters, charts, and blueprints, accommodating paper sizes up to 11 by 17 inches. You'll appreciate the efficiency of its regular ink cartridges, which yield around 1,400 black and 600 color prints. If you're looking for higher output, XL cartridges are available with impressive yields of 2,500 black and 1,650 color prints. When it comes to print quality, you'll find that documents are sharp, and the printing speed is commendable for an inkjet model. Although it offers a decent color gamut and accuracy for photo printing, some photos may appear grainy and feature overly warm skin tones. The OfficeJet Pro 9730E also boasts a feature-rich scanner, which includes a flatbed that supports up to 11 by 17 inches paper and an automatic document feeder for duplex scanning. However, you may notice that scan quality is subpar, as aggressive image processing can remove fine details. Additionally, this model comes with 3 months of free ink through the HP Plus subscription service, though it's essential to be aware of some limitations. You'll need a constant internet connection for printing, even when using a USB connection, and third-party cartridges aren't compatible. Number 3, we have the Canon Pixma MG3620. If you're seeking a budget-friendly printer that handles basic tasks, the Canon Pixma MG3620 may be a suitable option. While it may not boast a robust design or advanced features, it delivers decent quality for both documents and photos. However, you should be aware of its limitations. The low page yield can become a significant drawback, particularly if you tend to print frequently. High-volume users may find themselves frequently maintaining the printer, which can lead to wasted paper and time due to issues like incomplete or faded prints. If your printing needs are sporadic and limited to occasional projects, you might want to consider a budget laser printer instead. Inkjet models like the Pixma MG3620 can be susceptible to clogging if left unused for too long, potentially resulting in higher costs for replacement ink cartridges than the printer itself. By opting for a laser printer, you could avoid these common pitfalls and enjoy more reliable performance over time. Ultimately, the choice between inkjet and laser will depend on your specific printing habits. If you're primarily looking to keep costs low and need a printer for simple tasks, the Canon Pixma MG3620 can serve its purpose. But if you value efficiency and often have to print, weighing your options carefully will lead you to a more suitable device. Explore both categories to find the best fit for your printing needs, ensuring that your investment aligns with your printing frequency and quality expectations. At number 2, HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E. If you're managing a smaller print load and prefer a traditional ink cartridge model, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E could be an ideal solution for you. This printer boasts a comprehensive feature set akin to larger models, including an automatic document feeder, duplex scanning, and automatic double-sided printing. Its large input tray capacity and diverse connectivity options, such as printing directly from a USB flash drive, enhance your printing experience. With a print speed of up to 23 black and 15 color pages per minute, the OfficeJet Pro 9135E is efficient for everyday document needs. However, while it excels in document sharpness, its photo printing capabilities are somewhat limited due to a lower print resolution and a narrower color range. This model utilizes traditional ink cartridges, which offer a page yield of approximately 1,400 black and 750 color pages. Although its yield is not as impressive as SuperTank models, the cost-effectiveness of the cartridges helps manage ongoing expenses. Additionally, HP provides 6 months of free ink through its ink replenishment service, easing the initial ownership costs. However, it's important to note that subscribing to this service restricts you from using third-party cartridges, even if you later decide to cancel your subscription. Moreover, the printer requires a continuous internet connection to operate. Understanding these aspects will help you make an informed choice about whether the HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E meets your printing needs. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Epson EcoTank Pro ET-50. If you're in search of a dependable inkjet printer for your smaller home office, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-50 deserves your attention. This all-in-one super tank printer is renowned for its efficiency and ability to produce sharp, professional-quality documents at speeds of up to 25 pages per minute. A standout feature is its innovative ink tank system, allowing you to print thousands of pages before requiring a refill. This not only enhances convenience, but also significantly reduces your overall ink costs, making it a cost-effective solution for your printing needs. Designed with user convenience in mind, the EcoTank Pro ET-50 offers a variety of connectivity options, enabling you to easily access it from multiple devices. The inclusion of an automatic document feeder streamlines your workflow, allowing you to quickly handle multi-page and double-sided documents at a speed of 9 pages per minute. While this printer excels in delivering high-quality text documents, it's worth noting that photo prints may not meet the standards expected for professional use, as they can appear slightly grainy. One consideration to keep in mind is the price point. The ET-5850 is on the higher end, which may be a factor for some budgets. However, if you're looking for a reliable, versatile printer that meets a variety of office demands, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-50 is certainly a strong contender to improve your productivity. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which ink tank printer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.